Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a different type of video. This is a fashion video per request. Before we go any further, if you are not a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, I'm asking right now that you hit that subscribe button. You give this video and every other video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share it with all of your family, friends, anyone. Just make sure you share the video. Also, you can binge watch. You will not be disappointed. Now, to get back on track, this is a fashion video. And when I say fashion video, this is not a fashion haul. However, this video here is just kind of talking about fashion. Everyone that knows me knows that I am a fashion enthusiast. I love fashion. I love all things beauty. And that's what my channel is made up of. Makeup, your hair, your outfit, it all goes hand in hand. That speaks for you before you even say a word. When a person sees how you are well put together, that tells them a lot about you without you having to even say a word. I get a lot of questions on where do you shop? How did you put that together? How do you match this print with that print? There are so many different forms of fashion, forms of style. The way I put it together may not be the way you put it together, but if it's your style, that's what's important. Let's begin with style. Style is basically a way to say who you are without ever having to say a word. Everyone's style is different. Your style may not be the same as my style. My style may not be the same as someone else's, but style represents and says who you are. I was taught very young, early on, by my aunt. She would always tell me, it's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. I have adapted that to my everyday life. Anytime I like something, it really doesn't matter who likes it, who doesn't like it. If I like it, I'm rocking it. Whenever I'm shopping for an outfit, I shop everywhere. Wherever I see something I like, I will buy it. It doesn't matter how much it costs. I am not a high-end girl by no means. I don't have a whole lot of money, contrary to what people believe or think. I love to get more bang for my buck. So I shop everywhere. I have two favorites, which are Fashion Nova #1 and Rainbow #2. Now, both of those places are very good when it comes to price points. Fashion Nova is starting to get a little bit on the higher side, and I think it's because their following has increased tremendously. So of course, that comes with the price tag. But Rainbow still has a lot of trendy pieces, and they are not expensive. They also have a lot of pieces that Fashion Nova carries. I'm just starting to find that more and more, but Fashion Nova is still my favorite. I mean, with the coupon, I love a coupon. So anyway, before I go there, going back to Rainbow. Rainbow has a very good selection, from the shirts down to the dresses, down to the shoes. I mean, you can get a lot, and it goes junior, misses, well, juniors, and then they have plus fashion, plus size fashion. So either way you go, it doesn't matter. Rainbow can accommodate you. And that's what I like about it. I also shop at other places, and I mix and match. I may have a shirt from Rainbow that I like that I would pair with a pair of Fashion Nova jeans. It doesn't matter. Walmart is another place. People may sleep on Walmart. I mean, I don't discriminate. I will shop at Walmart. Actually, behind me, I have shot another video that you will see on how to slay your mini beauties on a budget. I get a lot of questions about where do I shop for my daughter? Again, it's the same for me. It's the same for her. I don't always have to spend a lot of money to look good. Remember, it's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. I could take a $5, $10 outfit and make it look like it's worth hundreds of dollars. I mean, it all goes in how you piece your items together. There's no right or wrong way to do this thing called fashion. Remember, every outfit begins with self-confidence. Self-confidence is the best outfit. So when you have that self-confidence, you own it, you rock it, It doesn't matter what anyone else have to say about. When you decide to be who you are, that's where your style comes from. And there's no right or wrong way to do your style. Whenever you're starting your wardrobe, if you want to revamp your wardrobe, you want to revamp your image, you want to just revamp your closet, just start over. There are key pieces to have in your wardrobe. You should always have a white button-down shirt, white tee or tank, a black blazer. This is just what I suggest that you have because you can mix and match. Every woman should have a little black dress. Your favorite pair of heels. Make sure you have a pair of heels. You should have a pair of jeans. You should have a pair of tennis shoes. You can take those jeans, you could put it with that t-shirt, you can dress it down. Or you can add that black blazer and those pumps and you can dress it up. You should have a pair of flats. You should have a pair of earrings. Earrings are important. Accessories can take the most simple outfit and bring it over the top. It could take it to the next level. I always have earrings, necklace. I love wearing rings, bracelet. I love accessories. And lastly, you can have a coat, a watch, and a handbag. Those pieces essentially make up your wardrobe. Now, of course, you can always add to it. Those are the main pieces that you need to mix and match. Now, I don't want to just keep rambling. Like I said, I just kind of wanted to come here and just kind of start with this video, just giving you basic fashion tips, fashion know-how, the enhancer way. The enhancer, that's me. The most important fashion tip I can give to you. Make your style, your outfit, your own. Thank you for tuning in, and let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next. If you want more on fashion, or if you have some fashion woes or a certain fashion look, or if you just want to see how I shop, it can help you. Let me know. Remember, if you haven't done it already, if you didn't stop and do it in the beginning, let's stop right now and hit that subscribe button. And there's a little bell that's located kind of like right next to that button. Hit that too so you don't miss any of my uploads or any content that I bring to you. And remember, share this video. Don't be stingy. Don't keep me to yourself. Share me with the world. It's a good trait to have. Sharing means caring. Thumbs up this video too. And I'll see you beauties in my next one. Bye.